Wow, are you there already?
Yeah, the traffic wasn't as bad as I thought.
Oh, hey, who is it?
It's your mother. You girls want to say hi to her?
Hi, you two.
Hey, Mom.
Aww. Hey, kids. Good morning. You'll be good, right? Don't be too hard on Dad.
Okay.
We're sure gonna miss you, but don't worry about us. You have a good time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Mom.
Now then, what to do next?
I know. It's training time.
Go.
Yeah. Taekwondo.
Good thing I'm a master of Taekwondo. You win. I give up now.
We win. Tad's defeated again.
Good game. Why don't we take a quick...
Not yet. I think it's time for an airplane ride.
Oh? Well, I guess so. All right, girls. Time for dinner.
That's tonkatsu, and these are black noodles?
Oh, yeah, right you are. Looks weird, but tastes great. Oh.
Are you okay?
Uh-huh. Well, hey, I was thinking we should order in, huh?
I love when we get to have sleepovers.
Yeah? It is fun, isn't it? I love it as well. Let's get some sleep.
Okay.
Nighty-night now, Kongsuni. Have sweet dreams.
Thanks. Good night, Daddy. You know, Dad, tomorrow we... What is that noise? Oh, Dad! Dad!
Oh, hi there, Kongsuni. You bet.
Weird. I'll never fall asleep. Unless maybe... It's just too loud.
Yo, what on earth is that noise? It sounds like a broken tractor!
Sayo, it's my dad's number.
Huh?
He won't stop it.
Wow! Who knew it was possible for humans to make that noise?
Sayo, how am I gonna sleep?
Great question. Oh! Why don't you try closing your eyes and counting sheep?
Good plan. One sheep, and two sheep, 3 sheep, 4 sheep, 5 sheep. Oh, wow. Didn't get much sleep.
Oh.
No.
Hey! I think I know what's going on here. Does your dad snore like he's got an elephant in his nose?
When my dad sleeps, it sounds like a thunderstorm. Blah, 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 blah.
What are you guys laughing about?
Hey, Miss Kim. Why do dads snore so loudly?
I've wondered that myself. I think snoring happens when they get too tired.
Wait, dads get tired? Oh, no wonder he snores. I'm home.
Oh, hi, sweetie. Let's go. Ready to train?
Always. Yeah. Well, actually, I have other chores I should do.
Huh? You don't want to play hide and seek with Chloe?
No, thanks. I think you should lie down. I can play with Chloe for a while.
You sure?
Yeah. Don't worry, Daddy. We'll have fun while you relax. Hey, Chloe. Want to do a puzzle?
Oh, okay then. Break time.
Last piece. Yay! We're all done! Woohoo!
Well, guess who got a nap and is all charged up? And now it's time for a dinner surprise.
What? I want to know!
I'll start with some delicious roast meat. Then mushrooms, zucchini, carrots, spinach, all finely chopped up. Then stir fry it together and put an egg on top for a dad masterpiece.
Isn't that a lot? I don't think you should cook anything so difficult, Dad. That's not good. You should try and make something that's easy.
Oh, don't worry. Everything's under control.
But what if, I'm allergic to all the foods you just said? Would you stop?
Are you feeling all right, hon?
Yep.
Huh?
You go rest and I'll make us dinner tonight.
Very sweet. But you've already helped Daddy a lot today.
Dad, no! Just go and rest.
Hey, maybe we should talk a little. So what's going on, huh? You've been acting funny this afternoon. How come you didn't want to play with Chloe and me when you got home from school? And why do you keep trying to stop me from making my delicious dinner?
Because you can't be too tired. If you are, then I'm scared you'll snore again.
Huh?
I know. I was surprised too, but I really, really think it's true because Miss Kim said it.
You mean that's what this thing is all about?
Uh-huh.
Aw, amazing. You're sweet and kind. You know, I wasn't too tired from you guys. It's more of a nose problem. I find it a little bit embarrassing. I can't help it.
Wait a sec. So then you're not tired because of Chloe and me?
No way. You two girls give me more energy than I could ever need. I never get tired when we play.
You mean it?
I do.
Ew! Thump, thump, thump. Cling, cling, tink, tink, plunk, plunk.
Can somebody tell me what's going on in my daddy's nose? The bugle goes pew, the drum goes thump, thump, thump. The cymbals go
Cling, cling.
the piano goes
Tink, tink, plunk, plunk.
pew, thump, thump, thump. Cling, cling, tink, tink, plunk, plunk. Pew, thump, thump, thump. Cling, cling, tink, tink, plunk, plunk.
Paroo, roar. Hum, hum. Chirp, 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 chirp.
Can somebody tell me what's going on in my daddy's nose? The elephant goes, the tiger goes, roar. The gorillas go, birds go,
Chirp, 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 chirp.
pow, roar, chirp, 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 pow, roar, chirp, 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 chirp. What a land of sounds, there's always
nighty-night, sweetie. You're a good girl.
Thank you, Daddy. Have a nice sleep, okay?
Oh, yeah. I forgot. I actually got you some earplugs, too. I see. Not just Dad's then, is it?
How's an owl supposed to get any sleep around here?
Next time on Kongsuni and Friends.
Today we're going on a picnic at school. We're bringing a super yummy lunch and we're even gonna have a treasure hunt. Wait, where's Sammy? What? Sammy is an ant? Kongsuni and Friends next episode. Sammy the Ant, Part 1.